Hey, this is Willard Crafto, and this is going to be a look at my Arvin 213 electric heater. So yeah, here it is. I now have 3 Arvin heaters in total. You probably saw the review on my white one, but now I'm going to do a review on this one. So yeah, it's a 213. As indicated by the switch on the front, whereas the other one would have the flipper thing that the all of them up to the 203A had. Here's your screws that hold the cover on, and these screws hold the switch in. As far as I know, these are not original. They look too shiny, but I believe the switch is original. Now moving around to the back of the heater, we have our classic vents that Arvin heaters have, and a nice handle for you to hold on to, and 2 more screws back here at the back. So here's the cord. It says Cornish on the plug. It's non-polarized, as you can see. They look exactly the same, and it has a little UL thing. This is a braided cord. I believe it's original. Yeah, because it has that Cornish thing. But yeah, this is a braided cord. I believe the insulation in it is either cotton or asbestos. Probably asbestos, seeing as this thing was made June 30th, I think, 1947. Maybe it was the 23rd. Yeah, it's 23rd. Here's the bottom. Now right here, these 2 holes, that's where they would be, the switch would be mounted on one with the flip knob. It would have a linkage going down here and a fork thing that connected onto the switch, and it'd screw in right there. I don't know what that hole's for. 213 right there, and this is upside down, so there. If you want to read that, then pause the video. There. Pause it now if you want to read it. Good Lord. 1320 watts. 1.5 amps. UL listed. Whoopsie. So yeah. Now I'm going to open this thing up and show you the inside. So, I have all the screws removed. You do have to take the screws off the switch. But yeah, set that there. Here's the internals of the heater. They look a lot different than the 203. And I am going to be doing a video of 203 versus 213. But yeah, here's the heater. Here's your elements. It's not been turned on. There's your fan, little 2-blade fan. That's really all it needs. These 2 points are where the elements are connected. This side is connected to the switch. This side's connected to the cord. Now, it's interestingly wired. The fan, as you can see, it has 2 wires. One of them is wired to here. The other one is wired to there. So this fan motor only gets about 20 volts. And from these 2 linkages, it would be 100 volts. And this is 120, 120. I don't know the exact voltages, but I'll do it with the multimeter sometime and test how much it is in between there and there. But yeah, here's the switch. It's a very old switch, and it's pretty much just a regular old light switch. But it is very, very old. There's that. Here's that insulation I was talking about. If anybody knows whether that's cotton or asbestos, let me know. You can still find this cord on eBay, but this one is in crazy good shape. No frays anywhere on it at all. No fraying, no nothing. This cord may not be original, but I believe it is. Yeah, because that's the wrap they did. It is original. The only thing, it has a little bit there, a little nick right there. But that's pretty good for a heater made in 1947. And it has a little nick there. Sometimes the cord would look like that, which is not good. Here's the back. That's where your screws connect. Here's your motor. I cleaned as well as I could in here. There's where the motor's mounted. There's where the back is mounted. And inside there's that, and there's a set screw on the blades. So if you really wanted to, you could take those off. Just take the set screw out. But yeah, now I'm gonna do something kind of dangerous. I'm gonna turn it on with the. That's not good. That's not supposed to move. Let me see real quick if I can. I can't tighten that any. It's just going to stay like that. But yeah, this one does not have a light in it like the 203 has. It would have a red light bulb right there. But yeah, this is not a good idea, but I just wanted to show y'all what it looks like running with. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on, so then I'm gonna just plug it in and not touch it. So yeah, plug that in, and here it goes. Putting out a real, already heated up. That element's vibrating over there. I don't know if you can tell. Of course, why do I always film the heater videos on a hot day? But I don't know if you can see that. There, you can kind of see it. The heat of the element's vibrating. I don't know why. Oh yeah, that's really shaking. It's worse in person. But, uh-oh. Look at the motor shaft. There's that. There's it from the back. And, there's everything turning in there. So now I'm going to put the cover on it and run it. So, I'm going to unplug that. And yeah, I'm going to put the cover on now. Okay, so I've got all the screws back on it. And now there's no risk of getting shocked. I didn't want to touch the terminal by accident. But I did forget to mention, here's the brass Arvin badge. It's in pretty good shape. That it is. The paint's coming off a little bit. I might repaint it. But yeah. It's very, very quiet. It smells like a Christmas tree. I don't know why, but this heater inside it smells like a Christmas tree. Again, don't ask me why. It just does. I got it like that. These are very robust heaters. I really like them. They're very well made, and they're neat looking too. I really like the layered effect on the sides and down here at the bottom. I am sweating like a hog in here. Why am I running a heater on a 75-degree day? For YouTube, that's why. Go ahead and shut that thing off. And yeah, that just about does it for the video on the Arvin 213. So yeah, thanks for watching and have a good day.